The Tesla Motors app puts Tesla owners in direct communication with their cars anytime, anywhere. Once downloaded from your phone app store, log in to gain access to your vehicle. Once logged in, on the home screen, you'll be shown the overall status of your vehicle. This includes your vehicle's name, any open doors, front trunk, or sunroof, and the current estimated range of your vehicle. If you have Summon enabled and within range, you'll see a Summon button above the car. To use this feature, touch Summon, and then press and hold forward or reverse to engage Summon. Summon will automatically open or close your garage to park or unpark for your convenience. Touch Controls to access your vehicle controls. These include venting and closing your sunroof, locking and unlocking the doors remotely, honking the horn and flashing the headlights. Touch Charge to modify your charge limit. Drag the slider to modify the limit you want to charge your vehicle to. Touch Climate to set the vehicle's internal temperature remotely. This is a convenient way to cool or heat your vehicle before getting in. At the top right, you can turn climate controls on or off, and below, you can change the temperature to your desired preference. Touch Location to load up location features. Here you can see where your vehicle is and where you are in relation. View in Map or Satellite View. And by touching directions on the top right, you'll be taken to your phone's default Maps app to acquire directions. Beyond these controls, touch the top left button to reveal a sidebar menu. In the sidebar menu, you have the main controls, which we just reviewed: Valet Mode, Notification Settings, Calendar, and Sign Out. Valet Mode is a feature you can enable that restricts access to your vehicle when handing it over to a valet. Restrictions include hiding all personal data from your touchscreen, locking the glove box and frunk, and limit the maximum speed your vehicle can achieve. Notifications is where you can enable or disable notifications from your vehicle. Just touch to enable any notifications you would like. Calendar assists with providing access to your phone's calendar when connected to your vehicle via Bluetooth. Additionally, it provides an overview of what functions are enabled in your vehicle. Lastly, Sign Out. Use this to sign out of your Tesla Motors app if you ever need. If you're in need of additional assistance, you can reach Tesla support at 844-248-3752.